Most people ignore the Draw tab, and that's a mistake. In less than 5 minutes, you'll learn the whole Draw tab and how to review reports faster. Draw is for 3 things: highlight, point, and leave notes, like a marker on paper, but inside Excel. If you don't see the Draw tab, just do this. Click File, then Option, then Customize ribbon, and check on the Draw. Some ink tools depend on your device and Excel version, but the basics work for everyone. The first thing that we see here are pens. So just pick one, then change the thickness, or maybe play around a little bit with the options that you have there. They are available here under the arrow. If you click it, you can see the options. Then just circle the number that matters, or anything you wish. What's that good for? This makes your reports instantly readable in 1 second. The next useful thing that we see here is the highlighter. It is for columns and rows. For example, we can highlight a region or month or any data that we are currently talking about. The good thing about the highlighter is that it doesn't cover the data underneath. It just highlights it. The next option that complements the previous two is the eraser. If you made a mistake, just use it. It removes the inks or the highlights, but not your data. The secret tool that we have here is the Lasso Select. With it, we can, for example, move anything we selected and then delete it. We don't have to redraw anything, we can just move it to a different section of the tab and then come with it back. Let's do a real report review in 30 seconds. Step 1. Highlight the key part. Step 2. Circle the problem number. Step 3. Arrow to the chart peak. And step 4. Add a note saying follow up. Now have a look at what ink to shape does. I draw some rough shapes. They don't have to be perfect, remember that, but Excel makes them perfect. There's also the option Ink to Matte, and it's really cool. Just have a look. And that's the full Draw tab. Very good for report reviews and clear notes. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel made simple, tab by tab.